first pack of the OP13. Gonna go ahead and get started on these. Motherfucker. Alright. The Empty Throne. Connie. Beppo. York. We got Shaka. We got Emporio Ivankov. Go all the way to the top. Never existed in the first place. Makino uncommon. We got a Boa Marigold. Saint Ethan Baron Mojuro rare. We got a Suki SR. Nice. The two cards that I sleeved from the first OP13 pack. Second OP13 pack. We got Hera, Windmill Village. We got Gordon, cool background. Whoop Slap, Come Come Gatlin. We got Frankie. We got Shaka, Wapple, Blamenko. We got a Gold B Roger Leader. Hell yeah. We got a St. Marcus Mars, rare. We got a Nefertari Vivi, rare. The three cards that I sleeved from the second pack. Alright, guys.